Yo, I've been doing stuff lately, okay? I'm making cheese today. Well, I've never done it before. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't have the right ingredients. Anyways, this is my curing lamb and egg yolks, and I'm gonna try to make prosciutto out of lamb. It's been done, okay? Whatever. Anyways, I have the milk. All right, I'm just making a little batch. This is just, you know, first time thing. And I poured some of the garlic juice in there already. All right, this is just a little marination method. Then you're just gonna shake it up. All right, I'm gonna take my essence of garlic milk, and I'm just gonna put it in a pan that can hold it, and put it on low to a simmer. So I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just gonna say that again. I'm gonna put some flavor in this cheese. All right, I'm gonna do some black pepper, do some paprika, do some adobo. And I know the adobo has turmeric in it. It's gonna definitely change the color. And then just a little bit of garlic. My tea bag. See, we have our little aromatic. Take it and just drop it in there. Let it do its thing. See all that flavor and color is coming out of that. This is 2 tablespoons of vinegar and just like a splash of beer, some light beer. And this is where the magic happens. We're gonna mix this in the milk, and it's gonna separate the proteins out and start to curdle everything. And we're just gonna keep cooking it like that. See that separation happening? Get those curds going in there. Okay, so you have the cheese curd forming. So I'm gonna bring over my my everything here. I'm gonna be kind of gentle with my little setup here. And I'm gonna filter out all the whey and everything that's not the cheese curd. Well, this is a lot less than I thought we'd have. I'm gonna try to twist this a little bit. It is hot. So I actually had it upside down on this glass with a weight on it, so the excess liquid can just run down the glass. But now I'm gonna take it. And then I'm gonna flip it upside down, put it back in that container, and then put it back on just to get another squeeze and reshape that other side. You can already see that moisture. Okay, so I'm going off of, like, you know, looking stuff up and doing a little bit of research. I have no idea what I'm doing, okay? But right now, I'm making a brine. And for some cheeses, they make like a brine, kind of like a pickle brine, you know, with salt, a little bit of vinegar. And what that does, it brings a little bit more acidity to the cheese, a little bit more flavor, and it discourages bacteria growth. All right, so to this I'm gonna add a shitload of salt. Take the cheese out of the cheesecloth, and that's what it's looking like right now, okay? Now this isn't as smooth looking as some cheeses because, like I said, I was missing those ingredients. So we're gonna put this in the brine, all right, and that's gonna float. So we're gonna put something in here to keep it in that brine, just for, I mean, not very long. They do theirs for 6 to 8 hours, but they got a giant piece of cheese, all right? This is just a little guy. So I'm gonna brine him for, I don't know, about an hour. We're gonna pat that dry. Getting a little crumbly right now. All right. So after doing some research, I learned that the only way to safely keep Paneer cheese is really to freeze it, unless you plan on using it in the next like 3 days. Give this a little taste test. Yeah, it reminds me of like mozzarella. It takes a lot more to make other cheese like Asiago and, you know, more fancier cheeses and stuff. But that was just my beginning. That was just my little entry into the cheese make. Okay, guys? All right. Peace out.